Welcome to my channel, guys. Hey, we're gonna do a lot of videos right here on Blast in the Grass car show down in Hagerman, Idaho. This was back in let's see, September 16th 2023, and 329 entries in this little car show, the most I think they've ever had. It was pretty much packed. Lots of hot rods sitting around on the outside of the parking lot even that didn't get in. So enjoy these next few videos. Thanks very much. Have fun. Enjoy. Well, guys, I asked you when I first started putting these videos on here, do you want me to put on a whole hour's worth, or do you want me to put on 10 minutes worth at a time? A couple of you guys said, let's just do short ones. So here's a short one. We're going to try to put these on here, like I said, 10 minutes or real close to that.
48 minutes left.
You need to download. We'll go to my house and download. Oh, look at this. I hear you got your T-Bird over there.
Yeah, I took brought my T-Bird today.
He was going to bring us 57.
Well, why didn't you drive it over?
I don't drive it.
What are you giving me that look for?
He has trouble with it.
Yeah, Grandpa gave me an evil look right there. That's pretty cool. Duggar said he's going to fire his up later.
Yeah, he's down there. He was down there buying a couple things.
There's a free GoPro right there.
The other option is take the door panel off. Push the button for him.
Yeah. That one don't do it. It's too old.
You know, my old one, the picture went out, so you can't tell what you're taking a picture of no more.
How old is your old one?
I think it's a 7.
Probably send it back to the company and get it fixed for free. What'd they say?
They said when you buy them in China, that's what happens.
That could be. That could be.
That's what they told me. When you buy them in China, that's what happens.
So it's a GoPro though. And you bought it. I wonder how they got it in China.
I don't know, maybe it ain't China. But I think they told me down at...
Didn't buy it from them.
I bought it down at, what's the one down in the mall?
I haven't been in that mall.
All the, they sell all the electrical stuff.
I've not been in there in years.
Well, it's not in the mall anymore. It's down on the other side, down by the canyon. It's where they sell a lot of they sell electrical stuff, TVs and.
Oh, okay.
I'm sure you'd know if I knew.
Oh, Best Buy?
Best Buy, yeah. Bought it there and that's when he told me. I said, what do you do? Oh, you buy it in China.
Well, I don't think that's... I would. Yeah. He said, I bought it at Best Buy. Have you tried to take it back to Best Buy?
I did. I'm doing that and I'm going this way. You're seeing over there by the car.
Yeah, I'll meet you over there. Well, I had to cut that out because, well, you get somebody following along, chatting with you, which is fine. I love my cousins, and he was my cousin's brother. We've known each other since 8th grade. Well, that was a while. Look at those. Beautiful. Well, we'll come back. Oh, there. Look at that Ram. Man. Got some motorcycles in here this time. All right, let's go down this way. We are almost halfway down, I think. Lots of music playing. Oh, yeah, 58. I'm walking real slow, guys, but I bet it looks like I'm going real fast. Ooh, that is blue. gassy.
From Grandma, huh?
Yeah.
409. Well, I'm glad I'll come over here and look at that. You guys, let's look at that a little more. You don't see many of the 409s anymore. 427 Cobra and that one. 57 convertible.
First series. Mine's second series.
That looks a lot like Vickie's Volkswagen I made her. Didn't have the wrap. Not that color though. Brother, let's see, stepbrother bought that. And I've never seen it. Haven't seen him in a decade. Moved away. Work in progress.
No, you just have to say Bob Smith on
There's
Smithfield. Oh my
see if we can
gosh.
get ahead. Pretty station wagon.
Oh yeah, Richfield gas station, yeah.
Nice looking 55.
That's interesting.
I will read those again. If that is the number on your card, come up to the door prize table and pick out a door prize. 102, 38, 6, 347, 422, 316.
Gonna be a long video, guys. I'm gonna put it all on here.
It wasn't even that bad.
Pretty beat up.
Because a lot of people want to look at this video that have cars here. So I want to put them all in here so they can just come on here and they can look at their car and see if there's any comments from you guys. Make comments on these cars. People do a lot of work on these cars to get them in this kind of condition. And so make some comments on it. Because the people that own the cars, like I said, may check out the video. Them are tall. Okay. Looks like we got some down here at the end. I'll probably hit them a little later because I think we're going to flip around. We got some all the way along there. Trying to get this done before the crowd gets here. We'll come back up and look at those. Let's check down this way.
They just built this one, so he dropped it off last year.
I think if a guy could make some money if he knew how to do all that wiring around here. I don't know if there's anybody that does or not. Let's see if we can get around this guy. Ooh, that's it's glistening. Beautiful. I seen one of them cut in half in a drag race, street drag race once. Back when I was a kid, I was the next one to race. And El Camino and one of those, the red and white one, were racing out through the country and it wasn't blocked off. Another car coming down through there and he tried to turn, didn't make it, and cut the car right in half and hurt everybody in both cars. Hurt them pretty badly. But they didn't die. There's a little work on that. And that's what I think of every time I see that car, is that drag race, because I was next. And that kind of put the kibosh to the drag racing that night. Oh, I was about 17.
What that air in there? Have the compressor over there. There's just no room here. I don't have headers either. I haven't seen the producer test them.
Ooh, 59 El Camino. 59. What is it, Bel Air? Impala. Ah, clean. Sorry, I keep going on about the colors, but You haven't been able to see colors very well for decades. And you come to a car show for the first time. Yeah. Beautiful. Thank you. Cool stuff. That's what Cool Whip needs, is a car like that. Don't you think, Cool Whip? Ooh, look at the length on that thing. That's as long as my truck. Ooh. It's over here. Sunlight hit it over here. You might get it. Oh, beautiful. A friend of mine, I don't even know how many of those he has. That may be one of his. I don't know. He lives in California. But some of his cars are up here because the California coastline is rough on cars. But he's from here. So. That'd be Cody, is his name. Really nice guy. I'm still walking. I'm still walking.
Sally used to carry my books to school. Sally was a good old girl. Helped me with my homework cause I was a fool. Sally was a good old girl. If you wanted just a kiss or a little bitty squeeze, she was always